In the situation below, find the cost of one Starbucks coffee and one cheesecake. So here we've got 3 Starbucks and 2 cheesecakes, which cost $3.60. So I'm going to write down forming the equation. You're going to have to form 2 because we've got 2 unknowns. So you've got 3 Starbucks plus 2 cheesecakes is equal to 360. It's better to change these into pence. And here we have 5 Starbucks plus 4 cheesecakes is equal to 640. Now the problem if we try to subtract, we won't eliminate one of the variables. But if we look here, we've got a 4 and a 2, and 4 is a multiple of 2. So if we multiply the top equation by 2, so multiplying 1 by 2, we're going to get 6s plus 4c is equal to 2 times 360, which is 370. You need to make sure that you multiply every term through by 2 in this case. Now the second one, we don't need to do anything to because we will have 4c and 4c, which will help us. So just writing down 5s plus 4c is equal to 640. And now what we can do is we can subtract the 2 terms. 6s minus 5s is s. 720 minus 640 is 80. So we've subtracted both equations here and we've eliminated the variable c. So we now know the cost of a Starbucks is 80 pence. To find the cost of a cheesecake, what we need to do is substitute back into one of the 2 equations. So we'll substitute back into 1, and we'll work out 3 times 80 plus 2c, because s is 80, is equal to 360. So we've used this equation here. 3 times 8 is 24, so that's 240 plus 2c is equal to 360. Subtracting, we've got 240, we're going to have that 2c is equal to 120. Dividing by 2, we're going to have that c is equal to 60. Now what we should do is check in number 2. So if we check in 2, putting s is 80 and c is 60, so we've got 5 times 80 plus 4 times 60. 5 8s are 40, so it's going to be 400, and 4 6s are 24, so it's going to be 240. 400 plus 240 is 640, and that's what we wanted it to be equal to, so we know it's okay. So the answer to the problem is a Starbucks will cost 80p and a cheesecake will cost 60p.